Guys, I am so excited to tell you about the new natural product from Pete and Pedro called Boost. It is a hair boosting serum. It is designed specifically to help your hair or your beard grow thicker, stronger, and sexier. We have packed this bad boy with over 20 amazing natural botanicals and oils that are designed specifically to help your hair be stimulated, the follicle to be boosted, more nourished, not to mention help your hair grow again or for the first time. This stuff is amazing. All you need is a few drops, right? Few drops, that's it. In or on the affected area, on your scalp or on your face, rub it in and move on. We use it, or I should say I use it twice a day in the morning and the night. Little true story, I was thinning. I started to notice that I was losing my hair. My widow's peak was getting thinner. I was getting thinner right on the front and I started to freak out. I went down the rabbit hole of the medications. I actually started taking finasteride for about 10 days before I realized that I was one of the guys that had side effects. And honestly, I'm glad that it happened because it led me to this. I started going down the rabbit hole of what are natural ingredients or products that I could use that could basically help my hair be stimulated to grow again and stop it from actually shedding or falling out. And basically we created a list of about 20 amazing botanicals and natural ingredients. We went to our lab and we said, hey, can you make this? It took us 9 months to develop, but we have finally launched it and we have perfected the perfect hair boosting serum. Guys, if you are serious about your hair, you're serious about a thicker beard, this is what you want to try. Not only is it effective, it's natural. Guys, I'm going to link the Boost around here somewhere. Go check it out. Go read all the ingredients and why we packed it with what we packed it with. This product is a game changer.